Practice set 6.2 question number 4. Two poles of heights 18 meter. This pole BD height is 18 meter and second pole, that is smaller one, 7 meter, are erected on a ground. See this smaller and this is taller one. Now when these are erected on the ground, then those are always perpendicular to the ground. Okay, therefore here 90 degree, here 90 degree. Now the length of wire fastened at their tops. This is top of smaller and this is top of higher. Those are fastened with wire and the length of that wire is 22 meter. Sorry, 22 meter. Find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. Now this is wire. Now this wire makes an angle with this horizontal. Horizontal means this way. Horizontal. These are vertical and these are horizontal. But this is the line segment. This is the line segment joining point E and this C. That is horizontal. And this horizontal line line segment makes angle with this wire of 22 meter. Then we want to find the measure of this angle theta. Now see this, we will find this. Before that, I have told you these are erected on the ground. Poles are erected on the ground, then those are perpendicular to the ground. So 90 degree, and this segment EC perpendicular to BD. Therefore, this is also 90 degree. Therefore, fourth angle is also 90 degree. Therefore, this is quadrilateral ABCE is right angled quadrilateral. This is new name. Now see here, out of this, see this BD 18 meter and this is right angled quadrilateral. So opposite sides are congruent. Did you get it? Now out of this BD 18 meter, this BC is 7 meter. So we will find CD. Therefore, see here first we write here, see this A. Let A represents the height of smaller pole. Okay, then BD represents the height of second pole. Okay, now I have told now quadrilateral ABCD is a right angled quadrilateral. Okay, now here see this BD made from BC and CD. Now we know this BD 18 meter. Okay, we know value of BC 7 meter plus CD. Now we take 7 to the left side. Therefore 18 minus 7 is equal to CD. Therefore 11 meter is equal to CD. Means CD is 11 meter. Did you get it? Now we want to find measure of angle theta. Okay, now see this. If this is theta, then CD is opposite side and this is right angle. So this DE is the hypotenuse. Opposite side and hypotenuse. Then which ratio? Trigonometric ratio? Sine. Okay. Therefore, we use sine theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Did you get it? Now, therefore, sin theta is equal to CD upon hypotenuse means D. Okay, then we put values. Sin theta is equal to CD 11 meter and D 22 meter. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22 is equal to 1 upon 2. This is equation number 1. From table, see here, from table which sine has value 1 upon 2. From table which sine has value 1 upon 2. Series. Therefore, from table we write sine here 30, sine 30. Value of sine 30 is 1 upon 2 from table. Therefore, from 1 and 2 is from equations 1 and 2. 1 and this 2. See here, RHS are same 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Therefore, LHS are also equal or we say same. Therefore, sin theta is equal to sine 30 degree. Therefore, here sine. So we write only theta is equal to 30 degree. Means this wire made angle with horizontal will be 30 degree. Therefore, the wire makes an angle with horizontal will be 30 degree.